Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. I am Eden Belawa from BSHM1E. For today's video, I will presenting the beautiful islands Isla de Gigantes on located northeastern coast of Carles, one of the most famous destinations in Iloilo. Gigantes Big Islands, known for its dramatic rock formation, natural falls, and towering limestone cliff. Some of the iconic tourist spots are Cabugao Gamay, Tangki Saltwater Lagoon, Batik Sandbar, and Antonia Beach, and Pulupandan Islands. The places are perfect who want love, nature, and adventure. This island is known for fishing, boating, and tourism. Local products include coconut craft and fresh seafood. Tourism helps the community providing jobs and comfort tour guides, vendors, and business owners. Isla de Gigantes is also famous for its colorful festival such as the Sikugun Festival and Pickup Festival. Its feature street dancing, tribal competition, and traditional dances that showcase the rich culture of the people. When it comes to food, the island is popular for its fresh and delicious dishes prepared its simple but tasty ways. Overall, Gigantes is a perfect place to relax with your family, friends, enjoy adventure, and experience the peaceful environment and culture of the local community. That's all. Thank you.